Hello, everyone. Welcome to the weekly SIG Compute meeting. I've just pasted the URL for the agenda document in the chat, so if anyone wants to bring up any topics, go ahead and add them to the agenda document. And we already have one item from OL. So how are you doing, OL?
Great, thank you very much. Just a quick question. Will VEP 141, which is the target side pre-hook, pre-migration domain hook, will be GA'd on 1.10. It's Barak's VEP, and several other VEPs are dependent on it. For example, VEP 111.
So Barak is out of office today, but I think so. I mean, it did graduate to beta in 1.9. I think that if everything goes well and nothing breaks and we get good feedback, I don't see a reason why not. It's a relatively small one, but maybe there are others here that were more involved than I did. Any other thoughts from anyone?
If it's already beta, why would there be a need for a GA graduation for other webs?
We would like to graduate VEP 111, and in order to graduate it, we need to graduate VEP 141 as well.
Oh, you want to take it to GA?
Yes, the VEP 111, it would allow us to delete a significant portion of the network code, like maybe thousands of lines.
Got it, got it. Itamar, do you know if we have a board already for the 1.10 VEPs?
No, I don't think so.
We actually do.
Check real quick. Yeah.
It's board 22.
Oh, great. Cool. So we can start adding things into here. Great. And maybe we'll just drop a comment here.
Can we rename the board with brackets and v1.10 inside of it? Is because of automation, but we can discuss it later in the cycle.
Cool. So I did add the comment here, and we'll see what he says. But I guess that the answer is yes, but I'm not entirely sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And Ali, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. I just wanted to get attention on this PR. I already see Itamar's look good to me. There was a failing test which I fixed, so I'll need your tag again. But I wanted to get everyone's thoughts on why, yeah, what is missing. Can we get this approved? Or should I file an exception for a couple more days?
I think that the deadline is today, right? It's just a small PR that basically just moves this to beta, nothing special, and the tiny test fix that you just mentioned. So I did talk to Vladik. He was very much for this, but he is not very available right now. He's out of office. When he's out of office, he's also a bit available, but yeah, it's so like I'm willing to approve this, and if someone can have a look for an LGTM, that will be great. Basically, what we talked about is that there are some E2E tests that are still missing. The thing is that we didn't find much value in like adding them in the end of the cycle just so they will be part of the previous release 1.9. So we can just move this to beta, add the tests right after, and obviously for moving forward, we would need to see that the tests are stable and everything, and are rich enough and all of that. But we can add them to the next cycle in the worst case and evaluate them until the next cycle ends. That's basically the plan.
Yeah, I mean, let me add some more thoughts to it. So basically, after the core fees and before the release, we still have time to get the end-to-end tests merged, right? And if we find in that time that it is not stable, I would be more than happy to take this PR out and revert it. As of now, I'm confident that those tests will be stable before the release. So I mean, I just wanted to add those details to the plan, Itamar, if that sounds good.
Yeah, and maybe we could also add that this is one of the oldest webs that we had, right? Web number 10. It's out there for a while. It is pretty much, heavily tested and heavily we've been through it with a few cycles already. So yeah, from my side, it sounds good. So I can drop an approve right now. Is anybody willing to have a look for an LGTM?
Yeah, I will have a look.
Thank you, Igor. I will CC you.
Yeah, thanks, folks. I also added to the agenda 2 links for the user guide. So it just went live this morning. So feel free to review, and we can address comments if there are any changes needed to the user guide.
Awesome. So the user guide PR is already merged, I understand.
Yes. Both of them were in progress. It got merged this morning.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks
And yeah,
to
it's great. Sorry. Sorry, didn't mean to cut you off. I just said it's really good to see the array support moving forward. It's a extremely important feature, and yeah, thank you for it.
Thanks, everyone.
And these are the missing tests. Yeah.
This is the end-to-end test. So a quick status update on this. The end-to-end test needs certain environment in CI, which is basically the 136 provider and the fake PCI kernel module and its devices. We got all of that set up working. The only part that is fixed and that is in progress right now is after those PCI devices are set up, the CI builds example DRA driver and pushes it to the image registry. That push is failing. So we have a fix out to fix that. Once that driver is built and run, I think we are very, very close to getting the environment started, and then this test will execute. So just waiting for that PR to clear out in Tide, and we should be able to retest this. I expect this to be merged within the week.
That sounds great. All right. Any more thoughts on this topic from anyone? Okay, so thank you, Ali. And I don't see more items in here. Yeah, once again, I guess it's related to the fact that we're just past code freeze and the dust is still settling. So any other topic we want to talk about, or we want to have a short one today? All right, everybody. So have a great rest of the day and see you on next week.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yes, yeah.
Thanks, folks. Bye.